Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm a mom who's trying to get a family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop down below so you can check it out. All of these savings challenges you're going to see today are in our shop, so if you're interested, go ahead and grab it. There is a discount code down below if you're interested in also grabbing that. Let's see, we have excuse me, $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $31, $32 here, and I am going to make change. Let's see here. I'm going to speed through this, hopefully. Okay, so it looks like this is what we have to get us started. And let's see, we are going to, I didn't grab my cards. I do have a dice next to me. Let's just do $2 and roll the dice. 5, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Looks like 2 might be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $5 will complete this savings challenge. So no more going into 2 during this round. 6, 6. All right, let's see how we're going to do this. 2, 3, 4. So this one should have a total of $6 because we're adding 2. 2, 4, 6. All right, so $6. Okay, 3. I think 3 might have been pretty close as well. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe not. Okay. Wishful thinking, I guess. 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 to keep us going. 5. 1. Finally getting something there. And this last lucky dollar is going into number 4. Oh, number 4 only needed $1. Number 5 is getting $2 more. Excuse me. So, every time I sit down, I say, pay attention. How many dollars does each savings challenge need? And I think I've looked it over and I'm kind of paying attention, but when this camera's rolling, your brain, I don't know where it goes. Mine doesn't stay with me very long. So we have $2. 1, 2. This one is a coffee and puppy savings challenge. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 here. Alright, next savings challenge has 2, 3, 4, $5, which completed. I don't know why this one always jumps in my lap. Completes this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Alright, giving us a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Yay! Alright, and we need another savings challenge. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's start this Oh, this one's going to be a nice and long. I need some big money for this one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put our spa savings challenge there. I've been wanting to challenge myself a little bit more, so we'll see how it goes. $2, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 into our next savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it only needs $3 more. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. This one is our anime savings challenge. All right, next one is completed with one doll hair. Yay! Yes, so exciting. Okay, so now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, $24 in our Aquarius savings challenge. We do have all of the zodiac signs, and so excited to see that one finished. And let's just grab, should we grab her from our spring collection? I don't think we want to start February yet. So, okay, I have some saving challenges that I'm going to work on in February, but I'm not going to start them today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 going into our werewolf. And let's see here. Maybe we should do these $2 each. I'm doing it. I said it. I'm doing it. Yes. All right, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, $10. And I'm going to write on here that I decided to make these $2. Well, not with that one. Because that is important to know. $2. Because usually I do $1 and I will confuse myself. All right, so that just happened. Okay. I have a couple of savings challenges that are going to take me a while, and that is okay. All right, so last up we have $6 going into our fairy 26-week savings challenge. Every time I do a roll and save or I flip the cards, I just mark a number, so I'm not saving a specific amount. So this is the 8th time I'm rolling, and I'm adding $6. And now we have 20, 25, 30, 31, $32 here. So love to see it. All right, so I think we added our savings challenges that we needed to add. Hopefully you will see me again very soon. I do have some cash put aside, and I was thinking, oh, we're going to do something fun. We may not. So I think we may be adding to our savings challenges. So we'll see about that. For those of you who are interested in knowing, I stuff both of these binders as savings challenges. These are freebies that I've gotten. Usually do Freebie Friday, Mini Monday, something like that. Try to get in there as well. As soon as I complete savings challenges, I go ahead and I put them into my sinking funds binder. And I do a reallocation, but in order to do the reallocation, I like to stack at least a little bit of cash to make it worth it to pick up the camera and do a separate cash stuffing. So that's all. That's what I do. That's how I save for myself and my family. I do need to switch these bills out because I'd like to have more money going into bigger bills, excuse me, going into these savings challenge. I'd like to have bigger bills going into the sinking funds. All right, so this is what I'm working towards right now, what I have saved so far from savings challenges. So hopefully soon we'll be doing a sinking funds cash stuffing. Be on the lookout for that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.